So today I'm Soria and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making a veggie stir fry using half a white onion, one whole green bell pepper, 2 cups of king oyster mushrooms, one whole bulb of garlic, and 2 red potatoes and 2 heads of broccoli, Maggi seasoning, and sesame oil. Stay tuned to see how to make it. You want to boil your potatoes for anywhere between 5 and 10 minutes, and you know they're done when you can pierce them with a fork, just like this. Once your potatoes have been boiled to perfection, then you want to strain them so that all of the water can drain from the potatoes. I love to boil my broccoli before I add it to this dish, just so that it's a little bit softer and soaks up that flavor. I only boiled them for about 5 minutes, and then they were perfect. Cooking vegetables always produces a lot of water, so that's why it's really important to make sure you strain out all of the water from the veggies before you start your stir fry. Now onto the skillet. We're starting with our 1 whole green bell pepper and half of a white onion in about 2 tablespoons of soybean oil. You can use any oil of your choice, and make sure you stir fry those veggies until they're soft and the onions are practically clear. King oyster mushrooms are famous for releasing an umami flavor when they're cooked, and they're also very meaty, which is a great addition to a vegetarian meal. Once you add your garlic, you want to stir it all together really nicely. Make sure everything's coated in that oil, and then cover it to lock in all of the flavor. When you open that lid, you'll see your veggies are so soft. At this point, you want to add in your broccoli that's been straining on the side. Because your broccoli has been boiled, you can use this as an opportunity to break up the florets, make them a little bit smaller, and they'll fit better in your skillet. Once you salt to taste, make sure you stir up all of your veggies so that the salt is evenly coating everything in your skillet, and then you'll want to cover it again to lock in the flavor. At this point, we're adding in our boiled potatoes and making sure we give everything a nice good stir. It may seem like your skillet is overcrowded, but I can guarantee everything will cook down and it won't be. It's sauce time. Go ahead and add in your Maggi seasoning, which is heavy on the umami flavor. You can use any sauce you want. You can use a teriyaki sauce, plain old soy sauce, anything you want, and it'll taste amazing. I love sesame oil. It just adds such a rich, nutty flavor to any dish. At this point, it's time to make sure everything is evenly coated. You don't want to have a whole lot of water in your skillet. If there is, feel free to remove the water from the skillet. I taste tested mine and I felt like I needed a little bit more of the Maggi seasoning, but after that, I covered it and simmered it down for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then it was ready. But we're not done yet. I love to fry an egg with Cajun seasoning and then put that on top of my bowl of stir-fried veggies. I think it's a fantastic addition. So if you tried out this recipe, let me know in the comments down below, and if you made any changes, I would love to hear about it. Share this video with anyone you think may be interested in it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notifications bell so that you know when I post. And once again, I'm Soria. See you next time. Bye.